Hello traders, if we don't learn nothing else today, we're going to learn what goes on in that title. Currency correlating pairs. OMG, it is very important that you know what this means. Now, mind you, I did not need this to learn how to trade or to become profitable. But when I tell you it came in handy for my arsenal and I put it there and kept it there. So, as you see, it's the currency correlating pairs. Let me make sure you can see everything. Okay, so I'm going to write what are the correlating pairs first. When I say correlating, that means these pairs trade together the same. They trade the same. So if you're trading one, it really doesn't make sense for you to trade the other. So GBP USD and Euro USD, they trade the same direction. One may be slower than the other or what have you, but nevertheless, they trade the same. So we're going to put Euro USD and INZA USD. They trade the same. And of course, you know, if these trade the same, then these go the same as well. USD CAD and USD JAPY. And then AUD USD with GBP USD, of course. And then, of course, AUD. So, of course, you'll see that there's going to be more than this once you go on your chart. See if you are in an uptrend or a downtrend, and then go and look at the other pairs and see what they're doing. All right, that's going to be the easiest way to do that. So you want to jot this down as your currency correlating pairs that go the same direction. If you're trading one, it makes no sense to trade the other. Okay, and now I'm going to put up here the none. So let me put that up here. The non-correlating pairs. So non-currency correlating pairs. Let's erase this. And I'm going to explain to you why this is important. Let me see if this will work. My marker's been tripping. Can you see it? I want you to be able to see it. No, I'm just going to do it with black. So Euro USD negatively correlates with USD Swiss. GBP USD negatively correlates with USD JAPY. GBP USD negatively correlates with USD CAD. I know that because I trade these pairs against each other all the time. I'll explain to you about that in a minute. AUD USD and of course USD CAD. AUD USD with USD JAPY. And GBP, no, Euro USD with USD JAPY. Let me fix that for you. Okay, so take a screenshot of that. These are your non-correlating pairs. So if you are trading one, you do not want to be trading the other. Okay, and I'm going to explain to you why you don't want to do that. Okay, so with me, I trade GBP USD, right? Let me just break this down. It's going to make so much sense why you want to learn this. So I trade GBP USD. This is my favorite pair. I've been trading it. It works for me. So this is why I like it. So for example, if I am buying this pair, because you know the first one is the dominant one. You're either buying or selling the very first pair, and then simultaneously, since I'm buying it, that would mean I'm selling the USD. If I did not know that it negatively correlates with USD CAD, that's that Canadian dollar. If I did not know that it negatively correlates with USD CAD, and I just so happen to look at USD CAD, and I say, oh, I would love to buy this because it's going in a buy, which could very well be a pullback or anything. That's why we want to study and know what's doing what, market structure, etc. If I say I want to buy it, let's take a look at what's happening here. I'm already selling it here. You cannot buy and sell USD or any other pair at the same time. You will be canceling out your trade. Okay? So make note of that. You cannot buy and sell the same instrument, which in this case would be USD or any other pair, okay? Alrighty, hope that makes sense, and I'll see you in the next video.